In this video, I want to show you how to use knockout halftones for Adobe Photoshop. So I've got the knockout halftones file open here in Photoshop. First thing we'll do is go to Window Layers to open our Layers panel. There's a top layer here. The visibility is turned off. Let's keep that off for now. There's also a subfolder layer here. And each of these subfolders, we can drop down to see the contents. This one that's called Halftones has multiple halftone pattern options. I'll show you that in a second. And below this is our art layer where we're going to paste our photos or our illustrations or graphics. Let's go to Knockout Halftones title here. Let's copy this and we'll go back into the Knockout Halftones file and we'll highlight our Your Image layer and we'll just paste in our graphic. You'll see here where that gradient was, that color gradient. It applies a halftone texture. The other thing we'll do here is you'll see a layer that's called light dark levels. So if your photo or your graphic doesn't look very good with the light and dark levels, we can double click on this. And in here you'll see some sliders and you can move those around to make things darker. You can move them around to make things lighter, or you can change your midtones lighter or darker. And below this there's also a black slider and a white slider. You can change this to get a different look. I think this is looking really good, so let's just leave it right here. But for every image, you'll probably want to adjust those light dark levels. Back to this top layer I mentioned before, this is just for visualization. It adds a white background, which in most cases you're not going to want, especially if you're going to want to export this as a transparent PNG. But this white background layer will help you kind of see how your graphic is going to look. So now that I've showed you the text, let's put a photo in here. Got a tiger just on a white background. Let's copy that, go back to our Knockout Halftones file. Again, we'll highlight our Your Image layer and go Command V, paste in our tiger. It looks great, but let's try some different halftone patterns here. So let's drop down this folder here, and what we'll do is we'll want to turn off and on different layers. You're only going to want one of these halftone pattern layers on at a time. This one's called Dot Wave. I really like this Dot Mesh Wave, so we're going to stick with that one. Let's double click on this little thumbnail here, and you can change your angle of all these patterns. You can also change your scale, and everything's interactive. So you can just move things around till you get something you like, and we'll click OK. And before exporting this as a transparent PNG, let's make sure to turn off that background. I like to use the File, Export, Save for Web option. Gives you a lot of control. We'll choose PNG 8. It's only two colors. We got the black and the transparent. And if you don't have transparency clicked on, make sure that box is checked. Matte will turn to none. And then you can just click Save. And that is how to use Knockout Halftones for Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching.